Kittens. Today we're gonna listen to a song called Dreaming of Paris. I don't really care for the lyrics in this one, so we'll talk a little bit, but the next one's pretty banging. So we're headed to the grocery store for some pork chops. Kroger's got $1 pork chops, and that's keeping me nourished. Stop.
Is that your freedom?
It's against community guidelines. Fair enough, I'm all about keeping the kids safe. So pork chops are $1 at Kroger. So what I do, I've been getting the 5-pack, and then eating one a day with some lettuce and stuff. I'm gonna have to censor so much of this because of all these kids. I try to get out here when the kids are at school. I miscalculated. I guess that's it. I have this dope outro song, so you won't see me pulling up to the Kroger, unfortunately. I guess I'll have to do another motovlog. I don't know, I might scrap this one. Enjoy, like, and subscribe! My YouTube description where it says Mini Moto Adventures, this is it, baby. It is the quarter-mile drive between my house and the Kroger. and the like 5-mile drive between my house and the park. I've been taking a lot of hikes. I've been actually losing quite a bit of weight. And at 500 subscribers, when I can start my membership, maybe I'll even do an exercise video. And I'll show you how I lost so much weight. Yay, grocery shopping. So I don't really have much on my grocery list other than pork chops. Instead of the 5-pack, I'm gonna get the 10-pack because I'm trying to up my protein so I can get those big muscle gains. So I'll do a second part to this once I got my pork chops.